Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have one of the most popular small trucks out there, and we just put on a Retrax iX on there. But before we get started, if you have questions, that is our telephone numbers. You can call the store and can ask us any questions about the video. If you want to order this, you can order it over the phone, or we'll put a link in the bottom of this video. You can click on that. It'll take you right to the website, show you the pricing and all that stuff. So that being said, come on over here. We have Buddy behind the camera, our master tech, and he's the one who did the installation today for the Retrax. Now, before I go into how it works, let's go ahead and take a look how it looks. So go ahead. It is a metal cover, and it's a low profile. And if you notice, it matches the bed caps of this Ford Maverick really nice. It looks like it just came from Ford. Now again, the Retrax is now owned by Real Truck, and it's a Real Truck product. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Now, this is going to be one of the price leaders compared to, now as you know, Retrax has many different levels. This is going to be the entry level one. So it's a little less money. How did they save money? Well, first of all, it's a little bit more work to install. Things that were kind of put together on the other models, this you have to put together. So it's actually harder to install this one than it is the more expensive models. Buddy will tell you that. He's behind the camera right here. And it's got a little different setup here. Like the seal here is a little different than the other models and stuff. Now here's your release mechanism here. So now you do have to hold this. If not, it'll lock. So as you're rolling it, you're holding it. So that's a little different from some of the other models. You just unlock it and you go back and forth. This one, the whole time you will be holding that, or it'll just lock it. And that's one of the differences between this model and the other models. So pretty straightforward. Again, it's going to be a little less money, and it's a great looking cover. I'll put all the warranty specs on the bottom of this YouTube video, so you can check all that stuff out. And we can drop ship this anywhere in the country. If you are local, a lot of times I'll tell you, it's no problem, you can install it yourself. I would recommend having us do it, even though Buddy disagrees with it because he doesn't want to do any more of these. Like I said, it could be a little bit of a headache, but as you can see, this is how it works. And you do have your locks along the way, so it locks in place while you're driving. So if you have it open, again, you just reach in there, you pull that little lever, and again, when you're not holding it, it'll lock. So that's how this one works. A little different than its brothers. So, okay. There you go. You can see how the seal works here. So, again, it's still a very good looking cover for the money. It's a great value. This is probably one of the bang for the buck covers, I would say. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this was a review of the Retrax iX on a Ford Maverick. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.